2021 Range Rover Sport, just done a Ghost PRO Immobiliser. We'll show you the ins and outs on how it operates in changing passwords. So, to change your password, you simply press your start button. We can enter the demonstration password, which is our plus paddle 4 times. We get 2 flashes of our indicators at the very top. Once you have that, you can now pull your headlights towards you, and we're going to enter the same password as you are pulled in your headlights. So as you will see, I'll hold the headlights together. I'm going to enter the password now. So I've entered the password. We keep holding until you see the flash. We can release. That is now ready for its new password. For demonstration, we can keep it on the same button. So all we're going to do is enter the password we want. It's going to flash 3 times. We do the same process again. Enter the password you want. It'll flash 2 times to confirm it, 4 times if it's wrong. If it is wrong, you repeat the steps that we've gone through from the start again. If it's correct, you turn the vehicle off, and that is now your new password. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how it operates. So if we start the car, if we try to drive the vehicle, it will shut the system down. If obviously we turn the vehicle off and we restart the engine, if we enter our password, it's going to see 2 flashes at the very top of the dashboard. That is now ready to drive. As you can see, we can select gear now. Obviously, if we turn the car off, or we leave the car on, sorry, it will now show you your service mode. For servicing mode, we have the vehicle on. You already enter your password and you drive to your point of destination. Once you are at your point of destination, you simply press your cancel button 5 times. This will now flash back 5 times to respond the service mode has been entered. Once you turn the vehicle off, that is your service mode. You hand the vehicle over to them, let them carry out their work. Once they've finished their work and the vehicle is ready, you must reinstate the Ghost. To reinstate the Ghost, you simply start your engine. You put your password. Once you get your 2 flashes, that will now reinstate the Ghost back on there for you. And that is how it works on the 2021 Range Rover Sport.